7 trending products, built for dropshipping, built for profit. First up, beach water shoes. A perfect summer product for beach, pool, and outdoor customers. They are lightweight, easy to ship, and practical for daily use, giving dropshippers strong seasonal demand and good profit potential. Second, the Fly Repellent Fan. This product solves a clear outdoor problem, keeping flies away from food, making it a strong choice for summer, camping, barbecue, and patio markets. Third, colored water balloons, a classic summer product with high repeat purchase potential, and perfect for parties, family activities, and outdoor games. Next is the Penguin Egg Rack. Cute kitchen gadgets like this consistently perform well in gift and home niches. This kitchen gadget is both cute and practical. It works for bowling, storing, and serving eggs, making it a great giftable product with strong appeal in home and kitchen categories. Number 5. Spin the Shot. It is compact, low cost, and easy to sell as a novelty gift, especially for parties, holidays, and entertainment-focused buyers. Next up, the Travel Bottle Set, a practical travel essential for shampoo, lotion, conditioner, and skincare products. It is compact, reusable, and easy to bundle, making it a strong product for travel, beauty, and lifestyle stores. And finally, the Beer Cap Helmet, a funny and eye-catching bottle accessory for party and gift buyers. It is lightweight, easy to ship, and perfect for novelty stores looking for products with strong impulse buy potential.